Hello and welcome to a new video on my channel. I am pretty excited because today we're gonna build a pretty nice app. Well, not a full app, but two screens from an app. So let's do a short demo of what we're gonna build. So here, as you can see, we have our homepage with two carousels, a new items carousel and a couch carousel. We can scroll. We have a tab view where we have two other tabs that are not built. So we're gonna just address the home view now, and when you click on an item you will see a nice animation, and we're gonna learn about mesh geometry effect, the new modifier that allows us to synchronize animations between two views. And here you could click to select the color of your chair, and when you click on the add card, for now we will just close the details view and return to the home page. And before we start, I just wanted to remind you that this is not perfect, it's not production ready, and the scope of this video is to learn about mesh geometry effect and create some nice UIs using Swift UI. So let's get started.